Hello cute children, I hope you will be fine. So today I'm gonna make a wedding dress for you. This is the surprise, this is the gift for girls especially, and please watch full video to have fun. For this purpose we have to put a dot middle of the paper. Okay, so now what is more, you have to make a curve line one side and the other side as well. You have to try to make it equal. It's not no problem. It's because of, I always say it's a just we are having for fun. So now it's more, you have to draw a line that comes down but it's little bit outer side. Okay, so now it's more you have to draw here curve one, and the other side as well, one curve. Okay, so now what's more you have to meet these 2 points but with designing lines. Like this is the design of your dress. So what more you have to put from here. This is the basement, like down part of your dress. Okay, and you have to meet these points, like you have to come, these are for this for arms. Okay, and this is for arms as well. You have to put 2 lines decided. Okay, now what's more you have to meet these 2 points. It's okay with little curve line, not straight. Okay, 1. And now what's more, its special part starts from here. So you have to put line, like curve line here. Okay, you have to stop, and the same you have to, but it should be little bit long, like this. It's enough. Okay, so now what's more you have to make a design, like I show you how. Like you have to come like this, 1, and you have to draw a little line, and you have to come like this. Okay, you have to, and I start from here as well because of I have to go towards upper side. So you have to make a hook. Okay, this type of hook you have to make, and again you have to make a hook, and you have to draw this type. Again you have to make a hook like, and meet this point. Okay, so now it's upper part, it's almost ready. So now it's the down part we have to make. So you have to follow this track and come down, but little bit inner side, not the upper side. You have to follow this track and come down here. Okay, the same you have to come round about here, and you have to follow this track as well as you made, and come down. Stop. Okay, it's enough because it's almost equal I have made. So now what's more, you have to draw a curved line like this, and this type of lines. And now you have to come from here because it's a trick little bit. I tell you why. And okay, now this you can draw upward like 1. So now what's more, more you have to draw like wrinkles. This type of wrinkle, one long, and you have to make like you have to go from its round. Like, understood what I did? Like, you have to come and you have to make a round like this. The same you have to do here. You make a round and go straight, and the same you have to come and make a round, go straight, and same you have to make a round and go straight. So this portion you can see how I made it, and the same you have to come, the down side is ready, and now I will come here as we make a hook. It's like now we have to make a like wrinkles, and this is you can say it's design, it's not only wrinkle one, okay, and the other, like you have to come here like this, and from here you have to start, okay, and same here you have to start, and the same like last little, okay. It's looking classical, it's looking amazing, and the last you have to make this, and the same you should try it, okay. Here this is okay, so it's almost ready. So now we have to follow this. We have to do it double. Okay, amazing. So now it's part we have to draw here flower. It's looking then classical, okay. It's not a big, it's according to our dress, it's small, okay. So it's looking classical. So now I meet you after color. It's almost ready. You can put stars, hearts as well, your own choice, but I made it simple and you can add it. But now I'll meet you after color. You put children's, our drawing is ready. After color, our dress it's ready. So I have used here light blue, and here it's pink, upper side is red, and here is as well blue and little touch of yellow, and here this ribbon is green, and this flower is always red, and it's your own choice. You can choose your own taste, what color you want, and please have fun while drawing. This is I always say. And the second thing is that please subscribe my channel to have more interesting videos of drawing, and be careful until the next video. We meet in the next video. Take care, bye bye.